If you've woken up feeling stiff, groggy, or like you need a little boost to get moving, this flow is for you. Welcome to your 5-minute energizing stretch routine, the perfect way to wake up your body, boost your mood, and set the tone for an incredible day ahead. These stretches are designed to open up your hips, spine, and chest while activating your core. All you need is your mat, your breath, and 5 minutes to focus on you. We're hitting key areas today: your hips, shoulders, and spine. By the end, you'll feel loose, strong, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Most people would probably skip this step and rush into their day, but not you. You're here to start strong. Let's hit the mat. Start in downward dog. Hands firmly planted on the mat. Hips lifted toward the sky. Slowly flow forward into cobra stretch, dropping your hips down while lifting your chest. Then push back into downward dog. Keep the movement smooth and intentional. In downward dog, press through your palms and let your heels sink toward the floor. In cobra, open your chest and keep your shoulders relaxed away from your ears. Inhale as you flow into cobra. Exhale as you push back into downward dog. This dynamic flow energizes your entire body. It stretches your shoulders, hamstrings, and spine while opening your chest, leaving you feeling refreshed and mobile. Beginners, bend your knees slightly in downward dog or stay in a low cobra. Advanced, hold each position for a couple of extra breaths to deepen the stretch. From downward dog, step your right foot forward into a low lunge to stretch out those hips. Step your right foot forward, keeping your back knee on the mat. Sink into your hips as you lift your chest. Hold here for 30 seconds, then switch to the left side. Keep your front knee stacked over your ankle. Sink your hips toward the mat while keeping your spine tall. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch in your hip flexors. This stretch opens up tight hips, which is essential for releasing tension from sitting or lying down all night. Beginners, place a pillow under your back knee for extra comfort. Advanced, lift your back knee for a deeper stretch, or lift your arms overhead. Now, let's activate your core and work on your balance with bird dog. Come onto all fours with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, creating a straight line from fingertips to toes. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Keep your core engaged to avoid arching your lower back. Focus on keeping your movement slow and controlled. Imagine lengthening your spine with each reach. This move strengthens your core and improves stability, which is key for good posture and overall balance. Beginners, lower your hand or foot to the mat if holding the full extension feels too challenging. Advanced, add small pulses with your arm and leg for extra engagement. From here, let's open up the chest and shoulders with a kneeling chest opener. Kneel tall on your mat with your knees hip-width apart. Clasp your hands behind your back and straighten your arms. Lift your chest as you gently pull your hands away from your body. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your chest lifted high. Squeeze your shoulder blades together to deepen the stretch. Focus on opening your chest with each inhale. This stretch counteracts the effects of slouching and opens up your chest, leaving you feeling tall and confident. Beginners, hold a towel behind your back if clasping your hands is difficult. Advanced, add a slight back bend to increase the stretch. Let's stand up now and finish strong with the standing forward fold. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Hinge at your hips and fold forward, letting your arms and head hang heavy toward the floor. Keep a slight bend in your knees if your hamstrings feel tight. Relax your neck and let your head hang heavy. With each exhale, sink a little deeper into the stretch. This stretch releases tension in your hamstrings, lower back and shoulders, leaving you feeling light and relaxed. Beginners, rest your hands on a block or your thighs if you can't reach the floor. Advanced, gently sway side to side to add movement and loosen your back. Slowly roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time, as we close out this energizing flow. If you sit at a desk all day and want to boost your energy, get rid of stiffness, and take control of your health, check out the free gift waiting for you in the description. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. You've already won the day just by prioritizing your movement and mindfulness. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.